The Roomba i3 Plus comes with a clean base automatic dirt disposal system, allowing it to empty itself for up to 60 days, offering a truly hands-free cleaning experience. It boasts a powerful 3-stage cleaning system and 10 times the powerlifting suction, making it highly effective at picking up stubborn dirt and messes. With advanced floor tracking sensors, the i3 Plus navigates and maps your home in neat rows, ensuring efficient cleaning on both hardwood and carpet. The Braava Jet M6 is an ultimate robot mop that can be directed to clean specific areas and tackles sticky messes with its precision jet spray. Designed for larger spaces, the Braava Jet M6 navigates around objects and under furniture, effectively cleaning finished hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone. Utilizing V-Slam navigation, the M6 learns your home's layout to create personal, smart maps, ensuring efficient coverage and resuming cleaning after recharging if necessary.